కావడానికి కారణం ఏమిటైతే?
What is the reason that made Rama God?
The qualities 6 numbers.
The qualities are 6 in number.
First
The
character. First character.
The first character,
Pity.
pity.
మూడవది non-violence.
Third, non-violence.
Fourth, the control of mind.
4, control over the mind.
Fifth, the control of senses.
5th, control of senses.
Sixth, fame.
6th, fame.
ఈ 6 గుణములు ఉండటం చేతనే
Because of all the 6 qualities,
made Rama the man supreme అన్నాడు.
that made Rama the man supreme.
The professor who is there, what is his name? Antipur. Don't tell me, you don't know. His name is Bhageswar. Bhageswar. Avuru is a unique person. He has got tremendous amount of experience. Avuru ee kathe keli. Avuru sati he came to Bhagavan slightly late. Okay, brilliant professor. He joined this institute. He heard about Swami. He knows that Swami is God. But he came not to join university as a professor, though he was recruited as a professor. He wanted to achieve self-realization. He wanted to involve himself in meditation, and he was more interested in self-realization and moksha and other things. So he joined this institution because he was a qualified person. He joined this institution as a professor. After 2-3 months, he was feeling very unhappy. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ನಾನು ಮೋಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದೆ, ನಾನು ಲಿಬರೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದೆ, ಈ ಭಗವಂತ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಅವತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ. Then he came to Swami. He wanted to resign. Because I will go back to Himalayas. I thought this is the Himalaya, but here college professor ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I cannot realize my life's ambition. I will go to Himalayas and meditate. I am anyway retired. You know what Swami said? You are appointed as a professor. I have chosen you to be here. You want moksha? I will give you moksha. What you have to do is teach the children what I have told you to teach. Ensure that they follow the morning to evening schedule. That is your job. If you don't do this, this is very important. If you don't do this, in the 1,000 lives you take, I will not give you moksha. This is the verbatim Swami ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ. He used the word I. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ನೀನು ಹಿಮಾಲಯಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1,000 ಜನ್ಮ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೇನು ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಬರೇಷನ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರನ್ನ ಓದಿಸಿ ಈ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You want me to repeat? This is the experience of Bhageswar. 1,000 lives if you take also, I will not give you moksha in meditation. But the same effect you will get when you ensure, if ಈ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇರೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Because that is equal to meditation. ಆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸಾಧನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is very, very important. That is why I have not put any literature there. I have just put his photo. He is Bhageswar. You can go to YouTube, Professor Bhageswar, type madi. You will get all his videos. Amazing experiences. Amazing experiences. Straight from Swami. So this is one experience. This is one slide is enough. What is your role? Sai teachers. What is the role of teachers in Sai institutions? You won the slide part. Now, these are all Swami's words. I want somebody to read it. Yes, please read it now.
The student's mind and behavior. The teacher must first have a thorough understanding of his own mind before trying to understand the minds of the student. If the teacher's mind is good, the students will reflect it in their behavior. Since the teacher cannot see the student's mind, he has to understand it only by observing the student's behavior with his parents, his friends, and his fellow students. Basing on this, he will be able to lead the student on to the right path.
I think in the morning, Madam was mentioning about the same point. Right? She was mentioning about the same point. Because, what is the meaning of this? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of
Should
this?
I continue?
Huh?
Should I continue?
No, I want you to tell me
Yeah,
the
the
meaning.
meaning.
See, this is put in inverted commas. So I have taken from Swami's speech, orientation of teachers to lead. Swami here is the master. And I have not changed even one verb or noun in this. It is Swami's thought. The teacher must first have a thorough understanding of his own mind. In this case, her own mind. So, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ನೀವು first ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Right? Then try to understand the minds of the students. I think this will answer some of your questions. Now, ಹುಡುಗರು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, first you understand your own mind. Then only you will be able to understand the mind of the students. Number one. Number two, if the teacher's mind is good, the student's mind will reflect in their behavior. ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
If teacher is really good, but teacher is
Teacher's mind is good.
Teacher's mind is
Then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪಾಠ that will be pure.
pure.
Then when we ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪಾಠ pure ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ that will reflect on the students' behavior.
Not only the students' behavior, even the parents, the students' friends, as well as the peer group of the students.
Yes.
This will be reflected in them.
Yes. Since the teacher cannot see the student's mind, ಅವರ ನಾವು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, then he has to understand it only by observing students' behavior. ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಥವನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್. That is the proof of your mind. This is what Swami says. This is the role of teacher in Sai institutions. So, thing is that we cannot see students' mind. We have to first look at our mind. Matte, how to ensure that how to know that their mind? By their behavior. And their behavior is only an offshoot, or it's only a proof. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear, please? Is it clear? Now this is what Swami says. Next somebody else, please. Can you read it? No? Can you please read it?
The teacher has to help the pupil unfold and manifest the skills and qualities inherent in him and encourage him to rise to the fullest height of his capability.
Yeah.
The divine is the core as both teacher and pupil. The educational process is the increasing awareness of this truth, the increasing utilization of this latent power.
What latent power? Divinity. Divinity is the latent power which is both common in the teacher as well as the student. Raising this level of consciousness is the continuous education process. There are too much of wisdom in this. ಬಹಳ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ, ಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್, that the divine is the core, the divinity is the core, both in teachers as well as students. So the commonality is what? The commonality is presence of divinity in both student as well as the teachers, and increasing that awareness, increasing the Daiva Shakti in the student is the educational process. We are not talking about ranks, we are not talking about syllabus, we are not talking about admissions. Are we talking about that will happen automatically? Admissions will get filled up, it will be oversubscribed. Syllabus will get covered fast because you are not doing it, because you are only instrument of divine. He does it. Belige ನಾವು discuss ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ he does it. We are only instruments. So what we have to do, this is the uniqueness of Sai teachers. It doesn't mean that you should not focus on syllabus. That will also be there. That is the, what shall I say, that is the quantitative aspect. That is the educational aspect. But it has to be equal importance should be given to the educare aspect of all this. Inherent divinity na increase madudu. Aa Daiva Shakti na increase madudu. That is the core. Then, women teachers ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. I want somebody here, since you are yawning, please. For a change. The women teachers support ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Women teachers can discharge this responsibility better than men.
Wow.
Children can be molded more easily through sweetness and softness, which maternal affection implies rather than by fatherly advice and admonition. Admonition.
Now, what is the meaning of this? He is squarely praising all of you and taking you to the skies. He is praising you, all the women teachers, and say that women teachers are much better than men.
Right.
Men are from Mars, women are from Venus and Saturn. So women have got that maternal affection. That is not there in men. Hey, hogo baro ante heltidnalla. Hey, hey, baro magu kanda kutkopa ante heltu preeti ide. Aa preeti beku makkalge. Aa ellargu preeti beku. So aa preeti ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, women teachers ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನೋಡಿ, women teachers can discharge this responsibility better than men. What responsibility? Children can be molded more easily through sweetness and softness, which maternal affection implies. ಆ ಮಾತೃತ್ವ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಾತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ love and affection and kindness, that softness and sweetness is there in women's handling of children and students. That is why Swami started Anantapur College for women first, and all the women teachers, this is a direct instruction to you from Swami himself. So rather than fatherly advice and admonition andre kandana maadu, to insult or to idu maadu. Father will do only that, because men are from us, we do a different approach. But whereas you don't do, you have patience. See, women have 7 great powers compared to men. Swami has told us. Men have got only 3. Experiencely, men has got only 3, whereas women have got 7 powers more than men. Okay, don't go home and fight because I said this. Right? So women have got more powers. There are certain things which you can do, we cannot do. We cannot imagine. Because by nature, you have more love, you have more affection, you have more softness, you have more sweetness, your approach is different. You have no more mental strength. You have more balance. You don't get angry that fast. You are not supposed to get angry, but our own experiences will teach. Each one has got experiences. All the